Hi everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'll be showing you how to make the best shiro ever.
So here are some of the ingredients we'll need for this recipe. Heat up your pot on medium heat.
First thing that goes into the pan will be the onion.
Make sure you keep stirring to prevent the onions from burning. I used hot water infused with Ethiopian tea spices.
And then I add olive oil and saute along with garlic for a few more minutes.
I cook my onions until they're caramelized for some sweetness and added depth of flavor.
I now add tomatoes along with bay leaves and let it cook until the tomatoes soften up.
Then cover your pan. Keep stirring every few minutes.
Once the tomatoes soften up to your desired liking, it's time to mix in your shiro or chickpea flour. How much water you use is up to you. I personally don't like when my sauce is too thick, hence why I put in a good amount of water. I boil my water along with some Ethiopian tea spices for some added flavor. I also like to cook a few pieces of sliced jalapenos or cara for some extra flavor. And you'll see it starts to thicken up as it cooks more. And as you can see, I'm making a side tomato salad because it goes really well with shiro. And once the shiro is almost done cooking, it's time to season. I use salt, black pepper, black cardamom, also called kororima in Amharic. And I would like to say, whenever you're making a sauce or stew of any kind, always wait until the sauce is almost cooked to season, as you'll be able to accurately season to perfection.
And now it's time to add our kibe or clarified butter, aka liquid gold. Oh my god, it's smelling so good in here right now, you have no idea.
And then at last but not least, I top it off with some more jalapeno or cara. And now we're ready to plate.
Just look how colorful it looks. Delicious and healthy meal made in less than 30 minutes.
Now there's only one thing left to do now. Let's try it out. Oh my god, you guys, this was so amazing. I suggest you try making it right now. Alright, so I hope you guys enjoyed this video and hope you try making it at home. Let me know how you like this video. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.